Hey guys, I'm Noor, I'm an architect and illustrator, and I'm going to explain in this video the easiest way to learn perspective drawing that can initially seem complex, but really, it's not. So, here is a straightforward approach to understanding and practicing perspective. Perspective is the key to almost any drawing or sketch. It is one of the fundamentals you need to understand in order to create realistic and believable scenes. This is used to give 3 dimensions to a drawing because it allows us to see the depth in an image and understand the distance between the object, making it more interesting than a flat image. The primary component of perspective drawing include the horizon line, vanishing points, and converging lines. The horizon line represents the viewer's eye level, while vanishing points are points on the horizon where parallel lines appear to converge. Know that there are different types of perspective, and choosing the right one for your drawing directly affects how your artwork is perceived. In one-point perspective, all lines converge to a single vanishing point on the horizon. This is ideal for frontal views. In 2-point perspective, there are 2 vanishing points, and this is ideal for corner views. And in a 3-point perspective, there are 3 vanishing points on the horizon line, and this is ideal for high or low angle views. You can find a lot of free resources on my channel or on my website about perspective with a lot of step-by-step tutorials and tips. My new ebook Start Sketching is also available with a coupon in the description below, where you can find a whole chapter about perspective. So, after understanding the basic, you can start practicing with basic shapes. Begin by drawing simple shapes in perspective. Boxes and cubes are excellent for practicing. These shapes serve as the building block for more complex objects, so by understanding how to manipulate and combine these shapes, you can easily construct the framework for any object you want to draw. This is really the key to make the foundations of your drawing right. Perspective is everywhere. Observe how perspective works in real-life scenes. Pay attention to how objects appear smaller as they recede into the distance. Look at how these appear when facing it, when looking from its corner, and when looking it from a high angle. That is why it's important to choose the right kind of perspective. I believe learning these rules will completely change your way of drawing and truly elevate your skills. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so grab your sketchbook and start drawing those vanishing points. If you want to know more about perspective drawing, I have a lot of videos here. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!